my name is Zane, and welcome back to something you guys won't recognize, actually. Right now, we're in my OBS studio. As you can see, my microphone, my screen, whatever. We're going to minimize this. And as you can see, I have two apps open. My OBS, which I'm using to actually record this, as you can see, stop recording. And then my internet browser, which is currently a MediaFire thing, which I'll show you how to get to in a minute, so I'll close that. So, this video, if we open my file explorer, I have pinned my resource packs folder, so I don't have to launch the game every time I add something to my texture pack. This folder, as you can see, Windows says this folder is empty. That means this is my genuine .Mnecraft folder that my resource packs is in. You can take a look for yourself, my mods, resource pack, shaders, whatever. We're going to close that for now, and I'm going to show you how to get my texture pack, Icecraft, for your own Minecraft, basically gameplays or whatever. You can use it. So, first step is to basically start from wherever you are. You can start from your internet browser. As you can see, I have like 3 more in there. So, first step is activate your default browser. Mine is Edge. I don't know why all these are top sites or whatever. So, the first step is to go to YouTube, which I believe, yeah, YouTube. So, go to youtube.com or whatever. Now, beware, the computer I'm playing this on doesn't really handle the internet that well. And then, as you can see, I am logged in to my genuine account. Oh, that's old. Go to my channel. So, start this from my channel. And as you can see, at the time of recording, I posted this 5 hours ago. Not in the right order. I was supposed to post the Ethodor one first. But basically, open any video from the 4x4 vault door in Minecraft onwards, including this one. The Ethodor one won't have the download in the description because that's being my first video and all. Still have to figure out why this ain't. Oh. I think it's just a simple glitch. Give me a second. I think it's done posting. I was busy posting it as I'm filming this because then I needed to make sure everything would work. So this, if I just refresh the page, just forget that those last 5 seconds never happened. So we're basically loading into the page now. Just forget that I refreshed the page and I had to finish uploading a video or whatever. So we have the Ethodor video. Yes, I uploaded it like 10 seconds ago. Who cares? And then the 4x4 vault door video, which is the only video at the time of recording, except for this one, that has a link in it. So click the video. And as you can see, we're loading it up right now. No external links. I didn't click on my search bar. And as you can see, yes, I do watch my own videos. I was watching it earlier. So, fully open the description in case I have long descriptions or whatever here typed in. And then, there will be a little blue link right here in this area. So, if you read through, there will be one titled Texture Pack, Faithful and Codecrafted Combined, Download. And then click the link here because I don't know how to make links say the word download but work right. So click the MediaFire link. Don't worry, this site ain't bad. I've used it 100 million different times before. It does put ads on your screen though. So you can close the YouTube out now. And then you'll have this, which is, it's basically Icecraft. This 3 here, where it says the E, that was just me trying to make it look cool. And then this area, here, I can't highlight it, can I? Anywhere. Okay. Basically, the 20204 thing before the .zip, as you can see, in the name. That is because when I made the texture pack, I edited it on here, then uploaded it to my Google Drive so that I could put it into a zip file format to be put on here on my Chromebook, which I have a review for on the TechnoTips channel, which I think that video might be gone. I can't remember. I'm doing some revisions to that channel. But there used to be a review channel before I basically did the great reboot and started from scratch video-wise, so that I could clear this out so you guys could find my Minecraft videos easier. I reviewed my laptop, my old one, and since Chrome OS comes built in with a like a file zipper, I didn't need to zip it on here, which could have been laggier because this thing mostly plays Minecraft, basically. So, that aside, don't click this, or this. You can if you want to, but click this big green 16.24 megabyte download button. And then, if you're on Edge like I am, you can save it. I'm just going to save as. Basically, the difference is save as allows you to change the name. I'm going to save it as just Icecraft, so it doesn't have all the insane numbers on the end. Then after it finishes downloading, push the little X here to dismiss that, and close Edge out. I don't know why. Okay, sometimes it will pop ads up in different windows, but don't worry about that. So, the next step is to open your folder and then go into downloads this PC, which I have some older things. This is what we need, the Icecraft. I'm going to move it to my desktop so that I can show this to you easier. So we have this on our desktop right here, and I have WinRAR installed. That's why it's 3 books with a buckle. So right click it and then open it. Or just double click and open it. I have WinRAR, so I need to wait for my WinRAR to open. Push the OK button. I don't even know how to work WinRAR that much. We'll open with WinRAR. There we go. So let me open this. So as you can see, there's a folder in here called Icecraft. And then that has the assets in it, an archive, which I believe is a copy of the texture pack. And then a folder called import, and then an archive, as I said. So, close WinRAR, right click it, and then extract it. Just extract the files to a folder. You can call it whatever you want, just click OK. And then we'll have a folder here called Icecraft. So you can just, if you want, you can delete this. I am because, So now we have this folder. Open this folder, the Icecraft folder, and then open this one. If you open import, that'll just be some code-crafted textures that if you know how to edit textures, you can, of course, if you want to import these into your game in the Assets, Minecraft, Textures folder, so you have to go down the path. But for me, you can just, if you're not going to edit the texture pack, go ahead and delete import and archive, these 2 folders. I'm going to drag, no, I don't want to drag both of them. I'm going to drag import to the desktop and then delete archive, because since I have like infinite downloads of this, and actually here, let me open my recycle bin. Where is Icecraft? I want to restore this. Thank you. So I'm going to be doing 2 tutorials in this video, starting from scratch. I'm going to do the first tutorial, which is going to be, if we move this over here, using this variation of the texture pack without import or the archive.zip in there. So all you should have is a pack.mcmeta, a pack.png, and an assets folder. So, if you go into the Icecraft folder again, so if you didn't, so you went in there, So take Icecraft and then cut it or copy it. I'm just going to copy it. Then you can go into here and search Run, which will be an app that comes pre-installed with your Windows computer, and open it. Then it'll open this. And then you can type the name of a program, folder, or document, or whatever. I've used this before. So all you have to type in is %appdata%. And then OK. And then you can open this. And this is how you'd open it if you don't want to go all the way into Minecraft and open the resource packs folder. There is an easier way of doing this, which is booting up Minecraft and then going in and opening the resource packs folder. But if you don't want to have to, you can run app data, and then there'll be a folder called .minecraft in there. I don't have that many things in here, so it ain't hidden. Then open .minecraft, and you'll have all these, minus a few. Like, you won't have shader packs, you won't really have resources unless you play, like, older versions of the game or mods. Shaders and mods is because I have Optifine and Forge installed on my thing. So what you'll have to do is there will be this folder called Resource Packs. You have to open that. This is the folder that I have in here. I'm going to close this and then reopen this to where the Icecraft folder is. As I said, if we copy this, I have it pinned. I recommend pinning like your .minecraft folder, your app data roaming folder, and resource packs to your quick access if you frequent these folders. I also have like OBS in there and some of my other folders. But open your resource packs folder. I don't care how. You can open it by going into app data and then .minecraft. This opens automatically when you open app data. And no, I don't know how to get to app data from your area here. I believe you have to go into like properties or something and set it so that you can see all files, not hidden ones, or set it so you can see hidden files. Some like complicated stuff. But no matter how you open it, go into resource packs and click paste. Not paste shortcut or anything. And then you'll get this window, which will paste it into the folder. So now you can close this and then open Minecraft and then like wait for it to, oh, it's updating. Not exact, voice crack. Not exactly what I was expecting. I played literally yesterday. I didn't think it'd need to update already. You wouldn't think it'd need to update already. So I'm gonna boot up Forge because I literally just installed it today. So I am also testing this on video too. So I'm gonna boot up my Forge, which is basically the version I'm hoping to make all my videos on. I also have it in like Optifine as well. But I just booted up Forge for 1.13.2, which is what this pack is specifically made for. It's got all the textures for 1.13.2. But if you're very good at texture pack manipulation or whatever, you could probably copy all the files from inside the texture pack into a texture pack for like 1.14 or 1.15. Or if you're very good at coding the pack.mc metas, you can do that as well. But as I say that, you can also play it in the newer versions as well. It'll just be a little outdated. Newer blocks won't have textures. And it'll be red in your thing because it's made for an older version. But you can't play this texture pack in, I believe, any version under 1.13.2. It has to be 1.13.2 or above. So, as I say this, we're booting Minecraft 1.13.2 with Forge up right now. Kind of hoping it doesn't crash. Okay. I'm kind of sitting here. Okay. What in the world? Why are these white? Here, you know what? I'm gonna open my mods folder and fix that really fast. So I guess Optifine doesn't work right. So I'm gonna proceed to my main menu. Okay, I guess this is a beta. We can go to mods. I have World Edit. That's my only mod I have. So we're on the 1.13 menu. As you can see, we're on normal textures. Click options and then resource packs. Okay, so if you just booted the game up and you didn't follow all those steps before and open the textures, you can click here and then import it. But there should be an available resource pack if you imported it before you launched, called Icecraft. Its description will specifically say Icecraft by Zane, Faithful by Vatic combined with Codecrafted. Move that over to here, make sure it's on top, and click Done. And then wait very, very patiently. Here, I'll adjust my mic a little bit. Wait patiently for the game to load all the assets in and make sure it's all loaded. For my game, it usually takes a couple minutes at max. So, as you can see, we've booted it up. So, I'm going to go and hop into my Redstone testing world. And let's see. We'll wait for this to boot up. Now, if you'll notice, the back is the normal dirt. I tried to make it a texture of ice with a border around it, but I don't think I made the texture right. So anyone who knows how to code textures correctly, because I'm like a noob at this, can go in and code that if you want to fix it. That's also going to be what the next tutorial involves, just a little bit. So we'll load this up. I've just been using my mouse, so I'm going to move my laptop over closer to me a little bit. So we are loading into the game right now. And we have Faithful Iron. Is that the Faithful Iron? Yeah, that is the Faithful Iron. Codecrafted textures here. And this. Now, there is one mishap. As you can see, my hotbar is its normal texture. If you give me a couple seconds, I'm going to boot out of the game and show you the fix for that, along with how you can use the import folder. Just give me a couple seconds. What do you need? I'm recording right now. I said I am recording right now. Well, if you come in here while I'm recording, you're in trouble. I'm about to unmute my mic. Okay, so I just muted my mic for a couple seconds. I've gotten to the GUI folder, which is the Icecraft folder in your resource packs folder, or this one. Then assets, Minecraft textures, and then GUI. This folder, the widget folder, so you should have to do this for everyone. Just rename it to widgets. So literally put an S at the end, and that'll fix it. I don't know how to fix the options background, but that'll be everything you do if you want to fix the hotbar. Basically, all that can do is if I launch my photos right now, and it loads, is the hotbar isn't there. There isn't a hotbar texture. What I did is I used Mr. Crayfish's invisible hotbar texture pack. If you guys are fans of him, you'll know what that is. But, so that's fix that. But if you want to, you can, I'm going to go into my resource packs and delete this so that I don't mess up files by trying to like change everything. I'm just going to create an entirely new instance in this. Close this. So, in here, if you still have the import folder, which I'm going to move back in, if you open that and then open blocks, there will be like comparator textures, the different destroy stages, which I might even use, different textures for blocks, the redstone dusts, which are actually already in most of these textures, all the textures, all the wool, and all the redstone dust lines are already in the game, including the dot. The only things that you can add to the game, if you want to add them, are the comparators, which are the on and off comparators, all the destroy stages, which I think I'm actually going to add. So I'm going to shift click all of these. I like these a little bit. So I'm going to copy these. And the lamps. And the iron, gold, lapis, emerald, and diamond in the glass. So if you want to import those, you can obviously just copy them into assets, Minecraft, textures, and then whatever, I think. Where are the destroy state? Oh, aren't they in block? Yeah. So I'm gonna paste these and replace the files. So now all my destroy stages are those from the code-crafted texture pack. And you can change those. I just prefer the 32-bit textures. And then if you're done editing it, you can delete the import folder. And then you can take this Icecraft folder, copy it into your resource packs, and then there you go. I will finish copying this, and then we'll do a proper outro for like the first time ever. So, anyways guys, I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. There will be a link in the description to download this texture pack if you want it. And as I say that, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. And anyways, I hoped you enjoy this. Let me open my OBS back up. Bye!